So the question says x to the power of minus 3 over 4 equals to 8. So what do we do? First, let's go and write 8 in terms of a power, right? So we have x to the power minus 3 over 4. So if we write 8 in terms of a power, we can write that in terms of 2 to the power of 3, right? Because 2 to the power of 3 is same as 2 times 2 times 2. This one is same as 8, right? 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So we wrote that in terms of 2 to the power of 3. What is the next step? The next step, we are only looking for the x. So we need to get rid of the power. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply by the inverse, right? So what is the inverse of half? Inverse of half is 2 over 1, right? Like that. Here we have 3 over 4, but a negative 3 over 4. So we need to get rid of that. So what is the inverse of negative 3 over 4? That is same as negative 4 over 3, right? Denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. And don't forget the negative sign. Why? Because we need to get rid of the negative sign. So what we do to the left, we do to the right. So here we got 2 to the power of 3 times negative 4 all over 3, right? Now the next step, 4 and 4 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel. And what is negative times negative? That becomes a positive, right? So therefore we remain with 1 only. X to the power of 1 is same as 2 to the power. Now if it's in this case, this one is not a fraction. Let's make it a fraction. This is same as 3 over 1 times minus 4 over 3, right? Now let's simply multiply. X to the power of 1 is same as x, right? Now 2 to the power, what is 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12, right? So we got 12. But what is positive times negative? Since there is no sign in front of a 3, there is a positive sign. And there is a sign which is negative in front of a 4. So what is positive times negative? It gives you a negative. So you have a negative 12 all over. What is 1 times 3? That's a 3, right? Now x is equals to, what is 12 over 3? So we got in the power, we got negative 12 all over 3. So when we check, what is, let's forget about the sign, right? What is 12 over 3? 12 over 3 is same as 4. Then we have a negative sign here and there is an invisible positive. What is negative over positive? That is same as negative. So in the power, we will be remaining with 2 to the power negative 4, right? So what is 2 to the power negative 4? If you remember your exponent forms, you know a to the power minus 1 is same as 1 over a. Here we have got the same case. So what do we do? X is equals to 1 over 2 to the power 4, right? So what is 2 to the power 4? X is equals to 1 over 16, right? Because 2 to the power 4 is same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. When we write them in expanded form, we get our answer as 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 2, which is 8, and 8 times 2, which is 16. Therefore, x is equals to 1 over 16.